Hello fellow makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Boxy Charm July unboxing slash try on, and here's my box. I already have the card out. This month's theme is Sunshine, and as I said at the end of my video, the overall value of the box is $150, and keep on watching to see how I use the products and if I liked them or not. Stay tuned. The first item from the box that I'm going to be using is the Pur Cosmetics Festival 2.0 12 Press Pigment Palette. This is what the box looks like. This is the back of the box. Once it's out of the box, open it, it's cardboard, and this is what it looks like. Very pretty colors. I feel like you could go either summery or neutral. I'm going to go ahead and demo that for you now. The next item from the box is this Hourglass eyebrow pencil, and it's Arcbro Micro Sculpting Pencil in the color Soft Brunette. And this is what it looks like out of its packaging. It's very thin. I hope there's a lot of product in there because it doesn't look like there is. And it is double-ended with the pencil over here and spoolie over here. Let me go ahead and open it up for you so you can see. Very thin. And go ahead and put it on and give you guys a demonstration of how it looks. So as you can see, it is on the light side, which could be good and could be bad, because as you can see, I was putting a lot on and it's very forgiving. It's not very dark. It's easy to blend also, but you are using a lot of product, and it doesn't look like there's very, well, let's see how high this goes up. I feel like I used up a lot in that one sitting. So it's up to you if you think it's worth it. I personally wouldn't purchase it just because of the price when I could find something better at the drugstore, but it is a good product and I do like it and I will continue to use it. I'm going to go ahead and set my eyebrows and I'll be right back. The next item from the box is the Creme Shop Ready Set Glow Cushion Highlighter, and I'm a little bit curious to see how a cushion highlighter works. This is what it looks like outside of the box. You open it and there's a cushion and there's a little thing you pull open, a lid you take off. So let's see how this highlighter works in action. I'm dabbing, but I don't see anything on the sponge. Oh, okay. But I see something on my face. It appears gold. Little. Oh yeah, it's showing up more. Very nice. Interesting packaging. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Will I continue to use it? Absolutely. I don't let anything go to waste. Love my makeup. But yeah, here you go, guys. The next thing out of the box is this Ola Neon Velvet Liquid Lipstick, matte, long lasting, and moisturizing. Very pretty packaging. And then the shade is the Easy Sell. And I did open this before, and one thing that I thought was really cute is there's little eyes there. I see you. And this is what it looks like. Now let me go ahead and put it on and see how, if it complements the eye look. This is what the applicator looks like. Very pretty color, like it for fall and summer. It could be used kind of to brighten it up, orangey color or fall color. Very happy, satisfied. Definitely a win for this one. And last but not least, the last item in the box is this Clean Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, and I will not be able to use this because this says mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum, can be applied in the morning and evening. So I already have a morning serum, so I'll definitely start trying this at night. But let me show you what the box looks like. This is what it looks like. Very pretty bottle, and the consistency looks creamy. Looking forward to using that. So this is the look I got using some of the products from the Boxy Charm box. Overall, I'm very satisfied. I give it 4 out of 5 roses. The overall value of this month's box was $150.95, which I think is such a great deal, especially when you get a box like this where you love all your products. I definitely am very happy. The only thing that I'm on the fence about, and not even on the fence, it's just a new concept to me, is the highlighter, which, you know, it's just a matter of getting used to. We're used to powder highlights and things like that, and this is just a different concept for me, so it's just a matter of getting used to it. But I definitely do like the way it looks. Very pretty. I'm very happy with that. So yeah, I'm very happy with this month's box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below if you got your box this month and if you liked it or not, why or why not. Comment, like, and subscribe.